Welcome back to the channel, folks. Ever pondered over the thought of making a living online as a freelancer? Well, today we're going to explore that very idea. We'll delve into the realms of Fiverr and Upwork, two of the most popular freelancing platforms, and guide you through the process of setting up your profile and finding work. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all future content. If you find this video helpful, show some love with a thumbs up and share it with your peers. Now let's dive headfirst into the world of freelancing. Fiverr and Upwork are two online marketplaces that bridge the gap between freelancers and clients. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, programmer, or possess any other skill, these platforms offer a plethora of opportunities to showcase your talent and earn money online. Now, to get started on either platform, you'll first need to create a profile. This is your opportunity to showcase your skills, experience, and portfolio. Use high-quality images, craft a compelling bio, and sprinkle in relevant keywords to make it easier for potential clients to find you. On Fiverr, you'll create what's known as gigs. These are essentially the services you offer, along with the price you charge. Be specific about your offerings and set a competitive price. And remember, first impressions count, so use eye-catching images and compelling descriptions to make your gig stand out from the crowd. On Upwork, you'll be submitting proposals for jobs that align with your skill set. When crafting your proposal, highlight your relevant experience and explain how you can help the client achieve their goals. Remember, each job is unique, so personalize your proposal for each one to increase your chances of landing the gig. To thrive as a freelancer on Fiverr and Upwork, remember to deliver high-quality work on time, communicate effectively with clients, and ask for feedback and reviews to improve your reputation on the platform. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to making money online as a freelancer on Fiverr and Upwork. Here's hoping you found this video insightful and are now ready to embark on your freelancing journey. And remember, hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks on making money online. Until next time, keep hustling. Before we sign off, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next video.